London Futurists is pleased to support TransVision 2024, which is taking place in the city of Utrecht in the Netherlands on Saturday 20th and Sunday 21st January, with an additional optional workshop on the afternoon of Friday 19th January. TransVision conferences have been held since 1998 as international gatherings of transhumanists and people who are curious or concerned about transhumanist ideas. The overarching vision of these conferences is advocating the ethical use of technology to expand human capabilities and transcend limitations. There will be 5 main themes at TransVision 2024. Note that there may be some late-breaking changes or additions to the programme or speakers, so check transvision-conference.org for any updates. The first main theme on the Saturday morning is envisioning and creating transhumanist futures. After a lunch and networking break, the next theme is Futures for the Brain and Mind. Later that afternoon, the theme changes to Physical Rejuvenation and Beyond. On the Sunday morning, we'll start with the theme The Coming Wave of AI. Then, before lunch, there will be a session on transhumanism locally and globally. On the Sunday afternoon, there will be a number of other activities, including the chance to take part in focus groups, to dive more deeply into what you've heard in the previous sessions, to deepen links with some of the fascinating people attending, and to consider plans for the future. Before all that, for those who arrive early enough on the Friday, there will be a workshop on what's called Open Longevity GPT, how people can best collaborate to take advantage of innovations in generative AI and the increasing availability of healthcare data relevant to radical extensions in healthy longevity. It's easy to travel to Utrecht. For example, from London, I will be taking the Eurostar train as far as Rotterdam before changing to a short local train journey to Utrecht. Schiphol Airport is also nearby. I'm expecting lots of fascinating presentations, conversations, and key new insights over the course of TransVision 2024. For my own presentation, in the session on Physical Rejuvenation and Beyond, my topic will be Longevity Escape Velocity, getting there sooner. I'm not exaggerating when I predict that TransVision 2024 could transform your life, giving you a clearer vision of what is possible for the future of humanity and for your role in building a part of that future in partnership with new friends and allies within the worldwide transhumanist family. I look forward to seeing you in Utrecht. Don't delay in registering for your tickets and booking your travel and accommodation.